Welcome back to Buddy's Law. I want to start by saying I didn't record much until because I lost 2 chicks, but that discouraged me, and then this pandemic started, and then a couple of days ago I was diagnosed with chronic myeloid cancer, leukemia. So they're doing a bone marrow extraction Tuesday, and chemo starts Friday. So I guess the battle began. But today I wanted to show you how my baby chick is doing. And we got one sitting up there in the top. We got one sitting down here. We got a baby over here. So let's go on in and check out how the baby's doing. Because I was watching on my camera, and it looks like it's doing pretty good. Hello, baby. Let's check on the one that's sitting right here. See how she's doing. Well, how you doing, Mommy? Can I see what you got in there? Can I see? Can I see? Daddy see? I'm not gonna bother you. Let me just see what we got under here. I know you got something. That's my angel face. She's the one that lost 2 babies. But I know you're a good mom. Can I see? Come on. Hey! You're dangerous. Just grab you. All behave. She's got 1 beautiful egg. Thank you, Mama. Thank you. She's got 1 egg. But she's been sitting on that egg for a while. My niece is out here with me, honey. You want to feed the...
Yeah.
Just put it up here on both sides. But we're going to go right here and we're going to see how my little March baby's doing. Hi, baby face. How you doing? But see how we're doing. He's really protective of his child. That's his baby. All right, let me see if I can get up here to look. I have to crawl my way. Can I see how your big baby's doing? What a big, beautiful baby. My goodness, he's growing so big. Can we see his face? Come on. Whoa, oh, there you are. Hey, baby. You hiding down there, ain't you? Let me see your face, buddy. But we'll call him our little March. I'm trying to name him. But see, I got these nest boxes down to keep them from falling out. Can I see the baby? Come on. I really don't like handling them. I don't want to disturb them too much. There you are. Oh, you're beautiful. You got big eyes. You got big eyes. I can't see his face. But I've been watching her get off the nest, and he's been getting up, walking around. All you can see is the beak. There you go. There you go. Oh, there he is.
Oh, he closed them.
Okay, we're checking on it, and this is going to be a white baby. I see no color but white. But how y'all doing in there? But we got a baby here, beautiful baby. I wish you let me see his face. There we go. You wild, ain't you? But she's a good protector. But I got this board here. I got this board here, and then she got that so she can't fall out. But I don't know why. We got the one baby here. She's only got 1 egg here she's sitting on. I guess it's a 1-egg family. I guess they don't want to take care of 2. But we'll mosey back here out of the way. And it won't be long I'll be cleaning the straw out. But I'm not going to throw the straw away. I'm going to use it for my potato beds. I'm going to be planting potatoes soon, and I'm going to use it for that. My niece ran off, and I need her to get water. But back out in the garage. I was going to open the tarp today, but it was really windy and cold, kind of. But I guess we'll get off here and we'll just go ahead and change their water and feed them. And this is my second little run, but we only got one baby there, and we'll have one here. I don't know where the other egg went because it's not in there. But she only laid one, and she's been sitting on it for a while, a few days. So I don't know why, but and she only had one, and she only got one. Why ain't y'all producing twins, fellas? But we'll get off here, and we'll talk to you on the next video. I appreciate it. Hit that like button, notification bell. We'll see you next time.